Good morning, everybody. This is Eli, and I'm here at the festival. This is an American festival down in Ohio, and what I like about this is I like to try different food. Are you get ready?
Are we ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're ready.
Okay.
You hungry?
Yeah, I'm hungry. I like to take that the first one, the pork mashed potato.
You want the works? Mashed potatoes, pork, and sauerkraut?
Yeah, sauerkraut. Oh, you know what? I just take the potato and sauerkraut.
Potatoes, sauerkraut, please.
Yes. Okay. This is sauerkraut with potato, mashed potato. So, it looks so good. And I am going to try. Man, it's kind of hard to hold the camera and the food together. Oh, this potato and sauerkraut. Ooh, so good. Wow. It's potato and sauerkraut combination.
I'll be okay. I'll be ready.
No sauerkraut.
That's what Mom just said.
Yep.
I think we should do belly dancing classes. What do you think?
Kind of sour and salty,
Sign up for belly dancing class.
and the flavor of mashed potato together is awesome.
Hey, Abby, here you are. Parking for rednecks only. All others use the parking lot. Abby,
Wow. It's so good.
Okay.
And
There's a lot of good stuff here.
oh yeah. So thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Thank you. There you go. Hold on. Look. They had potato. Potato, they have sauerkraut, bacon, cheese, sour cream. What's this? Not bad. Okay, there we go. It's kind of hard to hold the camera and food and eat together. It's good. It's better than the one that I have earlier. But this one costs $6. So it's cost $6. The one I have earlier. The one I have earlier is $3. Wow. Crunchy, creamy, salty, sour. Wow. Cold. I mean the food's hot, but it's cold today.
What can I get for you? 2? Okay. There you
Thank
go.
you.
Thank you. $10.
Okay, look at that. I got the mini donuts. So, yeah, I'm gonna try. Yeah, these people, they are very busy. The line was like so long away, I had to wait a while to get it. Let's try. Oh man, it's a mini one. It's a little one, but full of sugar. Good. Fresh, smell fresh. Hey, little. Hey, little buddy. Yeah, smell fresh, but full of sugar. Little sweet. My little buddy, though, huh? Little buddy. Morning. Good morning. Good morning. Eat one more. Okay. Yeah. A little too much sugar. I'm full of sugar. Yeah. Okay. Yes. So this is probably the last one I'm gonna eat. This guy's ate sausage, like a hot dog sausage with sauerkraut on top. Yeah. Ooh.
I wouldn't think so. That's what I haven't been involved with. Really have been in your past, so there's a lot of gray areas that are got. Yeah, unfortunately, but I would imagine that's where the thing So, centrally located. Thank you guys. Good luck. I would like to have one made of our own granite.
Oh my god, so good. Good. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have more video coming up. Thank you so much. Until next time, I'll see you guys.